Good day, everyone. It is Motivational Monday, and on Monday, we look at some ways to just stay committed, to stay motivated and encouraged in the realm of nursing. So, Motivational Monday, today's motivational tip is pray and watch, and pray without ceasing, and continue to meditate and stay positive. That's your tip for today in staying motivated. So, I want you to just think of ways that help you to calm and relax yourself and to become a little less stressed when you become stressed about nursing exams and things like that. What ways help you to cope? You want to practice good coping mechanisms because we learn about those things in nursing and in nursing school, how to cope and how to deal. So I'm going to give you my tip, my personal tip. What I do when I'm dealing with stress and dealing with coping is praying, staying prayerful, and just thanking God for the way things are and thanking God for all the blessings and all the good things that He's given me, and realizing there's going to be tough days and going to be disruptive days, but I'm going to stay prayerful and watch and be alert and always keep on praying. So, this is inspired by the daily bread for today, which was entitled Pray and Watch. And they took from that Ephesians 6:18, which says, Pray in the Spirit on all occasions, be alert and always keep on praying for all the Lord's people. So I here today am praying for all of you nursing students, nurses, all of those who are in the field of nursing. I know it's tough. I know it's hard. It's not an easy task. It's not easy from the beginning. Going through school and all the schooling and all the learning we have to do, it is not easy. And then getting to that exam and passing and graduating and then taking your NCLEX. There's so many steps and levels of the steps that we have to take to get to the next level. So I continue to pray and just ask God to grant you the wisdom and the know-how to understand and comprehend what they want us to know and understand in nursing and how to take good care of our patients. And sometimes the test doesn't really reflect how well of a nurse we're going to be. I agree to that. So we have to have a different mindset when we go to the test to pass the test in the way they want us to answer it. And we have to study that process. But then when we become an actual nurse, some of that information is going to apply, but it isn't always direct and true to the process. The steps are always not always going to be in that 1, 2, 3 step ABC step. So in real life, you may be an excellent nurse at the bedside, but test taking can be a struggle. So when we're fighting these battles, one thing I enjoyed what they said on reflecting and praying is understanding how can having that prayerful and watchful mindset, how can that help you fight those battles that you're dealing with in life? They may be spiritual battles. They may be just any challenges in your normal routine, going to work and going to school and studying and becoming a nurse. What does it mean for you to stay spiritually alert? Because sometimes it keeps us alert to know that something may be coming in to try to distract us, get us off track. And are we going to allow it? Are we staying on the course? Are we going to stay on the wall like we talked about before? Are we going to stay committed to our goal? And because if we don't, we look up and a year has gone by and we still haven't become or reached our goal. And sometimes that can be frustrating, but just know that everybody's journey is going to be different. But if you stay prayerful, you meditate, and you deal with those moments where you're not having those good days, when they come, and you appreciate those good days, because greater are going to be my good days, I hope and pray. So I hope and pray that we have a good mindset. I also pray for myself that I, as your tutor, am going to continue to encourage you and give you the right wisdom and knowledge to pass your exams, and that I'll say the things I need to say in the right way that I need to say them, that God grants me that so that you can understand the knowledge, because we want to erase and wipe out confusion. There's no confusion. I know sometimes we feel like we get confused because the enemy is of confusion, but God always straightens us out with knowledge and understanding. And that's what we're praying for here today, that you will be um, gain you will gain the access to the knowledge and understanding that you need to make it to where you're going. So I hope that has helped you today. Just stay encouraged, be encouraged. Visit my website if you'd like to join our NCLEX Review Masterclass, and I will give you the steps on how you can do so. But we're enjoying it. This week we're on physiological adaptation. We started out with renal, and we're going to get into cardiovascular hopefully tomorrow. So we're just going to stay prayerful that God is going to give us the knowledge and the wisdom and the right words to say and the right breakdown of this material and the right test taking strategies, and that things are just going to click for us and we're going to understand it. We're going to understand, and we're going to master the NCLEX and master those nursing exams. Until next time, have a wonderful and beautiful day.